FLOKI INU is coming back to life, and I am here for it. And all right, huge disclaimer. I know. All right, Alex, you're a Bitcoin guy. That's your favorite cryptocurrency. You're one of those old, boring dinosaurs, and yet you're talking about meme coins. And whenever I talk about a meme coin, especially with Shiba Inu, I get so much flack from people who don't want to hear it. But here's the thing. People flock to meme coins. That's what retail is going to do. That's why I'm going to be buying a lot of Shiba Inu. But looking at Shiba Inu, it's got a huge market cap. And so I want to find the next best thing. And I'm not saying that FLOKI in particular is the next best thing, but it's pretty high up there. And so I am in and I'm paying attention to this. And I am seeing increasing volume. I am seeing hope that the flat line, which has been happening for, I think, the last 6 to 8 months, something like that, is over. And we're going to start climbing. And I just want to talk about FLOKI for a second because, all right, market cap rank 218, current market cap 304 million. That's not a small market cap, especially for a meme coin. But you compare that to Shiba Inu, which is in the multiple billions. And which of these two cryptocurrencies has the potential for greater returns? For sure, in my opinion, it's a no-brainer that it's FLOKI. And I do believe that SHIB will put in a higher high next cycle, next euphoria phase, whenever that may be. And I believe much more so for FLOKI that that's going to be the case, which from here, all right, it peaked in November of 2021 at 0.0003. It is currently about 90% less than that. It bottomed out even more than that. It bottomed out like a 97% drop from its peak. If it just went back to its all-time high, that would be a 33x from its bear market bottom. And I believe that it's going to do that. So I believe it's at least a 10x from here. But with this cryptocurrency, with this video, the intention of this is a short-term analysis for FLOKI. And I mean, just looking at the chart, I'm telling you, I am seeing a lot of reasons to be bullish. And so you can see my trend lines. There's other trend lines higher up, but these are the trend lines that are biggest concern. This is a span of about, what do we have here? About a year, right? February of 2022, so about a year, a little bit longer than a year. And you can see that FLOKI, if you were to look before this year, it's just a free fall from its peak in November of 2021. But you can see that it's been down and then flat. It's been flat since May of 2022, and it really just hasn't done much. A little pump here, but then, I mean, recently what we've seen is a new life for FLOKI. And is this some kind of scam pump like this right here? August, July, that was a scam pump and it went right back down. Is this a scam pump? That's the question that I want to ask. Well, if it is, one thing I can tell you is that it has a lot more life in it. So I don't think that this is quite the same as what we saw in the summer or this little pump in October. This is more of the real deal. And the reason why I'm saying that is, in particular, I'm looking at the volume, but I'm looking at, break of structure. We see a clear break of structure here, no lower lows, a new higher high. And so are we in an uptrend? That is the big thing that I'd be asking here. There was plenty of confirmation that this was not a new uptrend. This right here, I would say, has a lot more potential to be a new uptrend, which means that we could be putting in higher highs and lower lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. That's the name of the game. The thing that would confirm that for me is a breakthrough these levels here. There's going to be some heavy resistance at the 0.00004 level and also at the previous weekly range high, the 0.00005 level. If I see us break through these levels and hold them as support, I believe that we are in for sure a new uptrend, and then you're looking to find a higher low for new entries. I think that we are going to break through this fairly soon. And so how soon, I can't really say. Is it possible in February? I would think so. Is it possible in March? It's more likely in March or in April, sometime in the spring, that we will break through and then hopefully hold those levels and not get dumped right back down. But short-term price prediction, I'm seeing a 0.00005 as my target for an entry. Now, FLOKI, I do want to warn you, has done very well today, and it's clear that there's a lot of profit taking going on right now. I would not look quite yet for new entries, although, this high right here would probably be a good spot. Not the wick, but the candle, that close right there, 0.0000325. I wouldn't mind setting some kind of a bid order before hopefully a new move higher and next leg higher. And so that's where I have my target set. 0.00325 up to a 0.5 would be something like a 60% return, a little bit less than that. I'll take that for the short term. And then long term, this is something that I have no problem at some point, not exactly right now, but at some point adding to my bag for holding in anticipation of that next bull run, the next time that your mailman, your who else, your barber, your grandmother, they're all going to be texting you, oh, hey, tell me that next hot crypto that I'm going to be getting into. This was the time right here to have loaded up. And there may be a more attractive time. I just don't chase green candles. That's my motto. But for short-term trading, I wouldn't mind getting in sometime soon, not at this exact moment. But hey, you know what? I am encouraged what I'm seeing, and the big thing that I want to point out to you again is just that the volume looks so much better right now than what it did back in this time. And so I'm seeing a lot of strength, a lot of potential for a build-up for a new rally. But I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Is this a scam pump or are we going higher? Let me know what you think, and I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.